Hey everyone, TechnoMentor here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your Apple Cash balance to your bank account. So let's get started. So let's go ahead and first find the Wallet app and open it up. Now, once you open it up, you want to select your Apple Cash option here. So as you can see here, this is the Apple Cash with the Apple symbol. Now, once you click on your Apple Cash, it's going to show you your current balance. Now, in order to transfer this balance to your bank, you're going to tap on these three dots up top here, and it's going to give you the option to transfer to bank. So let's go ahead and tap on transfer to bank. And here you would select the balance. In my case, it's $1. So you can just only do $1. That's going to be what you can do. Now you can also do like a very small amount, like 25 cents, but that's going to be like the minimum. But whatever your balance is, right, you select it, and then you're going to want to click on next here. Now, it's going to tell you basically the fees here. So if you do it to a debit card, it's going to charge you 25 cents. And if you do it to a bank, it's going to be free, but it's going to take longer. So debit card instant transfer, if you do it to a bank account, it's going to take 1 to 3 business days. So you want to select which option. And from there on, you're going to go ahead and put your routing number and account number and then hit next here. As you can see, I don't have that info right now. But once you enter that information, hit next, and then you'll be able to go ahead and transfer that balance to your bank account. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider hitting a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone. We'll see you guys next time.